Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Is writing something about the portrait of a lady, which type of lesson belong with the old lady who was very old. Her face was a wrinkles, her hair was a white, she looked fat and walked very bendy. The writer has some thoughts and experience related with her grandmother. Actually, in the lesson, the writer was a best friend of his grandmother. And here we start the lesson and getting some informations about lesson. Actually, there are 3 and 4 points are very important in this lesson. First of all, lesson related spellings. Second one is more than 2 or 3 times read out the lessons. And third one is to prepare text related, lesson related question answer. So here we discuss about the portrait of a lady, the photo pictures of a lady. Here in the lesson, the writer Kushwansi very beautifully mesmerizing some memory and experience about his grandmother. Was a very good, silence, peaceful nature. And here in the lesson, the writer starting the lesson, my grandmother, like everybody's grandmother, was an old woman. She had been old and wrinkles for 20 years that had known her. People say that she had once been young and pretty, had a husband, but was very hard to believe. My grandfather's portrait hung above the mantelpiece in the drawing room. He wore a big turban and loose-fitting clothes. His long white beard covered the base part of his chest, and he looked at least 100 years old. He did not look the sort of person who could have a wife or children. He looked as if he could only have a lot of grandchildren. As for my grandmother being young and pretty, the thought was almost revolting. Hear the word revolting. Revolting means what type of disgusting? Students, here the writers try to explain in the beginning of the lesson's paragraph that the old woman was very tired, looked as so wrinkles, crisscross faces. Her hair was white and she had now no signs to speak any words. But writer thought that when my grandmother was very young, she looked very beautiful and so sweet. So writer tried to mesmerizing the photo pictures of the portrait of a lady. Here my grandmother's photo pictures hung above the mantelpiece in the drawing room. The writer said that his grandfather's photo pictures hang above the mantelpiece in the drawing room. He wore a big turban and a loose-fitting clothes. His long white beard covered the base part of his chest and looked at least 100 years old. Here, writers say that his grandfather also was very young and looked so beautiful when he was very young, and he wore a big turban, white big clothes, and he was looked like 100 years of old. But in the photo picture, he looked like a young. He looked as if could only have lots of children. As for my grandmother's being young and pretty, so Here in the first paragraph, the writer has tried to remember lots of experience and thoughts are related about grandmothers and grandfather. How such a beautiful scenes and experience was that when his grandmothers and grandfather was very small. So here writer tried to revolting the many experience in his mind and try to give us such an experience that by the photo picture, by the portrait of a lady, here in the lesson, writers often try to remember some thoughts and experience and the real experience which the writer was very small and very small children at the time. His only grandmother who was taught him the beginning study and career related teaching points, because the writer was grown up under grandmother, not his own parents. In the second paragraph in this lesson, here friends, we see that she had always been a short and fat and slightly bent. The grandmother looked like a short, fat and slightly bent. Her face was a crisscross of wrinkles running from everywhere to everywhere. In the room, in the house, the grandmother was moving this way to that way. So now we were certainly, she had always been as we had lower heart. The old, so terribly old, that she could not have grown older and stayed at the home same age for 20 years. The writer tried to teach us in the second paragraph that from the last 20 years, the old grandmother looked like the same photo picture, same shape, that type of crisscross wrinkles and white hair. But the writer tried to teach us and said us that how such a she looked when she was young and when she was a very small child. She could never be a pretty, but she was always a beautiful. She hobbles about the house in a spotless white with a one hand resting on her waist to balance her stoop and the other telling the beads of the rosary. She could never have been a pretty, but she was always beautiful. The writer said that the grandmother was not only pretty but looked also beautiful when she was young. But now the time is different. The grandmother was put her one hand on her waist and other hand she keep a rosary beads and she count the rosary beads and mesmerizing some poems and some thoughts in her minds. Her silver locks were scattered untidily on her pale, puckered face and her lips were constantly moved in inaudible prayers. Genuinely, author's grandmother babbled some unknown, unvoiced type of inaudible prayers. Yes, she was very beautiful. She was like the winter landscape in the mountain, an expanse of pure white serenity, breathing peace and contentment. The writer said that the really such a beautiness, such a purity and serenity on her face looked clearly by the photo picture, by the photo sketch of the grand old lady. Really, the portrait of a lady, of a grandmother who tried to give a good symbol in the writer's family that to keep a peaceness, silenceness and become always a coherence and correlated with everybody else too. In the third paragraph, the writer say that grandmother and I were good friends. The portrait of a lady is in the third paragraph. The writer suggested that his grandmother was only his good friend. When the writer was very young, very small, only his grandmother teach him, give him some guidance and give him a very sweet chapati, give him some food and teach him some virtual lessons about the life. My parents left me with her when they went to live in the city, and we were constantly together. When the writer lived with his grandmother, unfortunately happened that his parents left in the city. So at the time, only his grandmother was there who carry and give a good feedback to the writers. She used to wake me up in the morning and get me ready to school. She said her morning prayer in the mantra sing song while she bathed and dressed me in the hope that I would listen and get to know it by heart. Generally, when the writers starting his careers and grown up somewhere in his grandmother's house without parents, the writers started his career and his grandmother was only one who always got the writers early in the morning. She was said her morning prayers in the mantra sing song. She bathed and dressed me in the hope that I would listen and get to know it by heart. I listened because I loved her voice, but never bothered to learn it. Really, the writers sometimes listen to grandmother, her voice, her music, but the writer did not try to disturb to her. Then she would fetch my wooden slate, which she had already washed and plastered with a yellow chalk and tiny earthen import, and had a red band, tie them in a bundles and hand it to me after a breakfast of a thick stale chapati with a little butter and sugar spread on it. We went to school. She carried several stale chapati with her for the village dogs. So this is a vice versa happening from daily to daily here. That she would fetch my wooden slate. Is cleaned by earthen import, yellow chalk, washed by water, and then a breakfast of a thick and stale chapati with a little butter and sugar spread on it. We both went to school together. She carried several stale chapati with her for the village dogs. Really, this type of memory, the writer has been always memorized. That how such a beautiful day was there when he was very young and when he was very small age. But now the writer grown up big. He has his own he has his own thoughts, his own idea. But really, writers mesmerizing the portrait of a lady. Kushwansi given a good experience information in this lesson.